Welcome to dive site number 3 in my Maldives Dive Site series. We're still in Gaafu Atoll and we're at the Bird Island house reef. Not a great site really, we had nice visibility. The really nice thing about the site is lots of beautiful coral formations, but not much in the way of marine life and fish. Pleasant dive. Would I go and do that dive again? Definitely not, unless of course there was some reason that the marine life was a lot better. But it was, you know, an enjoyable, relaxing dive, but not really what you'd pay money to go to the Maldives for.
North is up, and we're going to do the east side of this beautiful reef. And depending on the current, if there is any, we're going to start around here or around here, make a left or right shoulder. It has some ridges going like at a 45-degree angle, like this. Many corals. Well, the last time we were here, which was 1.5 years ago, a little bit longer. And it has a lot of small stuff.